So we're told that 180 food calories in a granola bar come entirely from the protein, fat, and carbohydrates, or from P grams of protein, F grams of fat, and C grams of carbohydrate. Which of the following expresses F in terms of P and C? So we want basically F to equal something with P and C on this side. What kind of relationship can we establish between these three variables? Well, we were told that again there's 180 total food calories, and if we look into the table given for this problem, we're told that protein has 4 food calories per gram. So 4 per gram. We're told in that table that fat has 9 food calories per gram. Remember to be looking at the food calories here. The kilojoules are irrelevant, and the title of the table is energy per gram of typical nutrients, so that's why it's per gram. And finally, C, we're told, is 4 per gram. Okay. So now, how can we express this? Well, basically from all of this, we know that, 4 times P, so 4 times the number of grams of protein has to be the total number of food calories from the protein in this granola bar. We also know that if we add to that 9F, then we'll get the total food calories from all the fat, because we're multiplying 9 times the 9 calories per gram of fat times the actual number of grams of fat. So that's number of calories from fat. Here's the number of calories from protein, and we add to that 4C for the same reason. All of that should be the total calories from protein, fat, and carbohydrates. So this should all add up to 180, because we were told in the problem that the calories come entirely from these 3 components. So now, what do we want? We want an expression like F equals something. So that means basically that we just got to solve for F, or isolate it. We can start doing that by just subtracting 4C on both sides. So we get 4P plus 9F is equal to 180 minus 4C. From here we subtract 4P on both sides, so we get 9F is equal to 180 minus 4P. And minus 4C. Forgot to carry that over. And finally, to get F by itself, we just divide both sides by 9. So that means that this 9 cancels out. We get F by itself, which is exactly what we're looking for. And now 180 divided by 9 is just, excuse me, is just 20. Now we do negative 4P over 9, so that's negative 4/9 P. And then negative 4C over 9, that's just negative 4 over 9 C. And we look at the answers and we actually don't see anything like this, but what we can do, and what's sort of hinted, we get a hint to do by basically looking at A, B, and C, is that we can actually just factor this negative 4/9 out. So what I mean by that is you'll just get F is equal to 20 minus 4/9, but then P plus C. So I basically just divided, I factored negative 4/9 out of both of these terms. So that's like dividing these two terms by negative 4/9. So that makes this positive, makes this term positive. So just positive P plus C. And you just put it on the outside right here. And you'll notice, again, if you, distribute this through, you'll get this back. So this is a correct, factoring out of negative 4/9. And we see that that is answer choice B.